Hello guys, welcome to my channel Create Knowledge. In this video, I will tell you how to download and install latest version of Java 22, and also I will tell you how to run first Java program with demo example. Now I am going to open my Google Chrome browser for downloading Oracle Java 22. Here I am going to write download Java and enter. And you see this is official website of Oracle Java. Click here download. Here you see Java 22, Java 21, Java 17 available now. Now I'll go for JDK 22, Java 22. Here three options is there. One is Linux, Mac and Windows. But I'll go for Windows, so I select Windows and I'll go for installer file. This is x64 installer file. File size is 164.31 MB and I'll click here download Oracle Java 22 latest. Click here. Now you see it is downloading in my download folder. Now you see JDK 22 window x64 bin.exe. This installer file is downloaded in my download folder. So now I am going to close this window. Close it and go to my download folder. And here you see JDK 22 window 64 bin.exe. I will double click here. Now I am going to minimize this window. Now you see here, welcome to installer wizard for Java AC development kit 22.0.1. Now I'll click the next and you see here it is installed in my C drive program file Java JDK 22. This is by default. You can change the location also, but I am not going to change it. Let it in default location. So I'll click on the next. Now see Java AC development kit 22.0.1 successfully installed, and I am going to click on close. Now our installation part is complete. Now I have to set the path, variable path. My Java 22 install in my C drive program file. For that, click on your PC, go to C drive program file. Here you see Java. This is Java JDK 22, which now I have installed. In my machine, I have already using Java JDK 19. Now I have installed Java JDK 22. Click on JDK 22. Double click here. Click on bin. Now I have to set this path to my environment variable. Now I am going to copy this path up to bin. Copy this path. Ctrl C copy, and I am going to close this window. Here write environment variable in system start menu. Here edit system environment variable. In system properties, go to advanced environment variable. Click here. Here you give the path. Double click on path and click on new. Here you paste the path which I have copied from my program file. This is up to bin. Now click on OK. Click on OK and click on OK. Complete system environment variable path in my system. Now in start menu I am writing CMD and press enter. Here I am going to write Java hyphen version and enter, and you see Java 22.0-1 successfully installed Java 22 in my system. Okay, now I am going to make a program for you. So now I am going to close it. D drive, I am going to make a folder. I am giving the folder name example, Java example. Here I am going to create a notepad. I am giving the name of my class is Java_demo, and extension I am giving Java because I am going to write the Java program, so I'll give the extension Java, Java, and here it is asking permission. Do you want to change it? I'm telling it yes. I've created this Java_demo. Double click here. Here I'm going to write class Java_demo because class name and file name should be same, and curly bracket. Here I'm going to write the main method is public static void main string args, and here I'll put a curly bracket. Inside this curly bracket I'll pass a message system.out.println in bracket. Here I'm going to write, I'll write a message, and I'll put a semicolon here end, and I'm going to save my Java_demo file save. Okay, here now I am going to write here cmd, press enter. Here you see, here write, I have to compile this file, so I'll write Java C space, I am giving the file name Java_demo.java, and please enter. It is compiled. You see, when it compiled, then it create a class file. You see, this file is now created. Now again I write here, after compiled I write Java and file name only, Java_demo, and then press enter, and you see I put a message that welcome to my channel create knowledge. This message is appearing here. If you click here, I write the welcome to my channel create knowledge. Same message, I got it here. You see, welcome to my channel create knowledge, welcome to my channel create knowledge. Now I think you have understand how to install Java latest version 22 in your system, and how to set the path in your system environment variable. That also I will tell you how to do it. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Thanks.